Do you also want to upskill your knowledge but don't know where to go and how to find free online resources? Number 1, utilize public libraries. Public libraries are a treasure trove of free learning resources, from books and ebooks to online courses, workshops, and access to research databases. Get a library card and explore the full range of resources available, including digital platforms like Overdrive or Libby for ebooks and audiobooks. Number 2, take advantage of community education programs. Many cities offer community education programs that include classes on a wide range of topics, from cooking and fitness to coding and business skills. These programs are often low cost or free for residents. Number 3, leverage online learning platforms. Many communities partner with online learning platforms like Coursera, Udemy, or Khan Academy to offer free or discounted access to courses. Explore any online learning opportunities provided by your local government, community organizations, or public libraries. Number 4, join local clubs and groups. Joining local clubs, meetups, or special interest groups can provide both learning opportunities and networking. Whether it's a book club, tech group, or a language exchange, these gatherings allow you to learn from others, share knowledge, and stay motivated. Use platforms like meetup.com to find local groups that match your interest. By taking full advantage of these resources, you can continue to grow personally and professionally, making the most of the learning opportunities that are available to you here in US. Follow awarenaari for more content on life in US.